Even as the ethnic violence in Manipur nears 6 months and people begins to believe that the harrowing attacks on Meiteis by 𝐁𝐔𝐊𝐋𝐈𝐆 narco-terrorists have gradually calmed down, it has been learned that 𝐂𝐃𝐍𝐄 terrorists have now prepared for fresh attacks by digging trenches and building underground bunkers in reserve forest areas along Bishnupur and Churachandpur border. As reported by our Bishnupur district correspondent Somananda, many vehicles of security forces parking over the underground bunkers of the 𝐂𝐃𝐍s can be seen using a drone camera. Although Meiteis could not know what the 𝐂𝐃𝐍s are up to and what their next move is, as the Meiteis for almost 6 months now could not even reach the foothills, the 𝐂𝐃𝐍s easily have been keeping an eye on the Meiteis from the hills. The places where the bunkers are being built were reportedly all vulnerable and strife-torn areas in the past few months. On the other hand, the digging of trenches and building of bunkers during this harvest seasons are all taking place in Langzing-Manbi Reserved Forest. The sound of running engine of JCB was often heard near Sunusify and Phubala Maning. However, the digging of the trenches could not be seen as they were taking place in far-off areas which cannot be seen with the naked eyes. Besides, the Central Security Forces have not been allowing any Meitei entry in high canal areas. In this juncture, many have expressed concerns and have drawn the attentions of the government to closely look into the secret ploy of the 𝐁𝐔𝐊𝐋𝐈𝐆 narco-terrorist and remove tunnels and bunkers of the 𝐂𝐃𝐍s at the earliest by consulting High Command Security Advisor.